The high-technology capabilities that Haas machine tools bring to the world of manufacturing have positive effects on a global scale. Affordable automation fuels economic expansion and raises standards of living around the world. Haas technology plays some role in almost every aspect of modern life on planet Earth. Wherever you look, the ability to cut and shape metal is key to advancing technology, industry, and commerce. At Haas Automation, clever ideas are an everyday reality. Imagining new ways for customers to make parts, refining those ideas, researching their viability, and developing, designing, and building them into production equipment is what Haas does. Sure, Haas is everywhere, but what's really interesting is how they are now among the largest, best-selling, and most dominant CNC machine tool companies in the world. Part of this success comes from always exceeding customer expectations. To find out more, let's take a close look inside the workings of Haas Automation to see firsthand what makes a Haas, well, a Haas. Located in Southern California, Haas Automation's custom-built 1 million square foot facility serves as the central hub of our design and manufacturing processes. It all starts in the engineering department. More than 200 engineers design, refine, and constantly re-engineer Haas machines. Both mechanical and electrical engineers play a hands-on role in the entire process. This close relationship between the designers and the builders ensures a streamlined manufacturing procedure for every machine. While Haas machines are conceived as ideas and CAD drawings, they are born of hundreds of individual parts, most of which are manufactured in-house on state-of-the-art CNC FMS equipment. At the heart of the facility, you'll find the manufacturing center of Haas Automation, the machine shop. There are more than 270 CNC chip-making machines in operation here. Machines that consume upwards of 136 million pounds of raw material per year. How do we maintain the Haas level of quality in such a high-output production environment? We put nearly 200 Haas machines to work for us, right in our own machine shop. This allows us to observe firsthand the day-to-day operation of our machine tools, many of which employ some of the most advanced manufacturing technologies in use today, such as robotic machining cells that run unattended. We also employ flexible manufacturing systems that range from a single machine with 6 pallets to our largest custom-configured system with 5 machines, 143 pallets, and 1,650 tools. Producing more than 2 million parts per year, it's obvious that the machine shop is one of the keys to Haas Automation's success. But from the Haas perspective, this is not enough. In order to maintain the highest level of quality, parts are thoroughly inspected throughout the manufacturing process. Critical components are inspected in a temperature-controlled environment to ensure all measurements are accurate and consistent. Nothing is left to chance. This level of quality assurance is the only way Haas can ensure that every machine is a top performer. Finished and inspected parts move to the sub-assembly areas of the Haas facility where they are built into major machine systems. Haas frame structures, motion components, spindles, tool changers, drive systems, and the complete CNC control are all built by specialized teams of Haas technicians. Teams work together to streamline the process and refine the final assembly. Each step is performed by a highly trained team specialist. Every process in the Haas facility is documented and performed according to ISO 9001 standards. All work is double-checked before the units can move to the next step. Each subassembly is thoroughly tested and inspected before being sent to its ultimate destination on a Haas machining center. Team members take great pride in a job well done. They document assembly and testing and send this information with each unit. Out on the assembly floor, technicians build the base structure of Haas machining centers. Cast iron frame structures and motion components come together, forming a heavy-duty foundation for a vertical machining center. When each Haas machine moves to the final assembly area, the required subassemblies arrive and become part of the machine. Here's an example. The brains of the machine, the highly refined Haas control, is ready for installation. Once the control is in position, team members begin the process of attaching all connections and double-checking their work. Now, a pre-assembled side mount tool changer is mounted to a vertical machining center. In another sub-assembly area, the sheet metal enclosure for this machine is being built on a special assembly line. Delivered just when it's needed, the enclosure is secured to the machine quickly and efficiently. This process, developed by our manufacturing engineers, saves more than 6 hours of assembly time. All through this process, team members perform visual, mechanical, and instrument-controlled inspections of each step. Nothing is left to chance. Next, a battery of tests and inspections are performed to confirm that the machine is absolutely true and square, and that all systems operate as designed. The systems and efficiencies you've seen here are applied throughout the Haas operation. That's how Haas can build high-quality machine tools that you can buy at affordable prices. There's still one thing the inspector must see: an actual test cut. No machine leaves the Haas factory until it has proven its ability to perform. Now it's a Haas. Members of the shipping team now prepare each machine for its journey to the customer, where it will become a crucial part of that shop's profit-making strategy. Here too, there are checklists and protocols to follow. Even in the final stages before leaving the Haas factory, each machine is treated with extreme care, and all processes are controlled and measured. This is how Haas exceeds customers' expectations. We use the best practices to stay on the road to constant improvement. We build it the Haas way.